The US says it won't bow to pressure from Iran on more sanction relief before potential talk. The leaders of G7 countries have pledged to intensify cooperation on COVID-19 and increase their contribution to the COVAX vaccine sharing initiative. United Nations has called for urgent action beginning with the protection of civilians to minimize the effect of the worst famine in Yemen. The US extends travel restrictions at land border with Canada and Mexico till March 21. Ukraine has imposed sanctions against a pro-Russian politician Viktor Medvedchuk, citing an investigation into the financing of terrorism. WHO seeks $1.96 billion for the 2021 strategic plan for COVID-19 response. In Afghanistan, 5 people were killed and 2 others injured in 3 different explosions in Kabul today on Saturday. Interior Minister of Pakistan Sheikh Rashid Ahmad has said the border fencing with Iran will be completed by the end of this year. Mayor of London Sadiq Khan has received his first coronavirus vaccine and urged members of Black. Asylum seekers begin entering the US under Biden reforms.